Alrighty folks, we're back for a little while. As you can tell, it's daytime. I'm off work for a few. So we get to do a little bit of fun before I go back in. We're gonna take that tree down one way or another. Either I'm gonna ram it, or I'm gonna pull it, or I'm gonna have our special guest help us out. So as you just heard, we got a special guest here today. I mentioned him back in my last video I did. Deer Hunter 4519. He's sitting right there on his fuller with us today.
Howdy do.
As you can tell, I've already hit the tree a couple times and pretty much destroyed the front end again. It'll be all right. So we're gonna attempt to take that dead tree down. See what we can do.
I think Deer Hunter 40.
Just a little dimmed.
I think Deer Hunter 4519 needs to weld you a brush guard.
Yeah. Yep. We'll have to get a brush guard made.
Think you need to do it tonight at work.
We'll have to see how it is in New York. I'll have to do it after.
Yeah, do it after.
It's like Friday night.
Fuck it, yeah. Well, for you it is, yeah.
What you doing now?
We're gonna hook the rope up and try to pull it.
All right, folks, like, share, and comment.
No, we'll pull it off that first.
Don't forget to subscribe too. We'll be back in a few.